Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. The older I get, I definitely want my clothes to feel more and more comfortable. And if that's what you're looking for, but without sacrificing style, you need to check out this skirt from THHGPO. This skirt is so comfy. There's no wrestling to get it on and off, and it's comfortable all day. I love the beautiful pleats that stay intact and do not get wrinkled even after a day of wearing them. I've had skirts like this before, but I always felt like my hips really rounded out from the pleating. But this one, it just looks so elegant. The polyester fabric makes it drape beautifully, and it's completely lined, so I don't have to worry about wearing an extra slip underneath. This skirt is great because I could wear this easily to the office, to a beautiful brunch or wedding, or I could dress it down with a really funky t-shirt and boots. Speaking of boots, the fabric is warm enough that this skirt is definitely one that I'm going to keep in my closet for year round. I love this beautiful green color, and they have other colors as well, and each of them has that super comfy waistband and the airy hem. This skirt glides and gleams no matter what I put it with. I'm super happy with it, and honestly, I could wear it all day, every day. And that's my point of view.